Access to a good doctor is a critical part of staying healthy, of course, but what would you do if your family doc suddenly went out of business?
Well, that's the dilemma facing dozens of families in Brown and Clermont counties with the closing of clinics associated with Southwest Regional Medical Center. Local 12's Rich Jaffe joins us now with a look at the impact that healthcare crisis is having on the community. Rich.
County Southwest Regional Hospital in Georgetown closed about 10 days ago. As if that wasn't tough enough for Brown County and the surrounding area, two clinics operated by Southwest, one in Georgetown, the other in Bethel, also closed. When the only doctor's office in a small town closes, it can put the entire community into a tailspin. Randy Riley walked up to what used to be his doctor's office in Bethel today and got the bad news firsthand.
Said they were closed.
This family practice, the only one in town, closed on September 26th, the same time owners of the Southwest Regional Medical Center in Georgetown shut down. Another hospital-run doctor's office in Georgetown also closed. Randy and dozens of other patients are left wondering what to do.
I live just like 6 blocks up the street, and it's convenient for me to come here.
It was.
Yeah, right.
There are notices on the doors trying to explain the situation to patients and an explanation on the clinic voicemail.
Staff and physicians are currently working to transition all patient care over the next 30 days. Notification letters will be sent out in the upcoming weeks with further instructions. Please be patient with us as we work to transition your care.
But none of that means a whole lot to people like Emily Lipscomb. She and her grandmother live right across the street.
And it's a complete inconvenience for everybody in this entire town because that's where everybody goes. Well, I know everybody's just calling random places. Hey, are you taking new patients? Most people have nowhere to go. I mean, nobody's going to find another place to go, especially not in Bethel or Amelia.
Emily's grandmother really counted on her right across the street doctor.
She lives on the bottom floor because she can't even walk hardly that far, so.
So this place was a real godsend right across the street.
Yeah.
For their abandoned patients, the company motto, "Our family serving your family" since 1952, rings a little hollow right now. The hospital went under, according to the owner, because a couple of creditors suddenly decided to collect on long outstanding debts. No word at this point if any of those facilities will reopen, and even if they do, between now and then, the patients are certainly stuck trying to find a doctor. Cammie?
All right, Rich, thank you. Hospital employees did get some paychecks last Friday, but they tell us the hospital still owes them a final check. And they're also having problems because they say hospital owners stopped paying into their insurance fund. So now they're without health insurance. Of course, we'll let you know what happens.